I would like to start by kicking off PyCon Sweden 2024. Who is here for the first time? Nice, amazing. Keep your hands up. Who is here for the second time? Third time? Fifth time? Nice. My name is Aris Nivorlis. I'm the chair of PyConSe, and I would like to officially welcome you to PyCon Sweden 2024. A few things before we start. There are some bathrooms outside. You can use them. There are hopefully enough. Let us know if there are any troubles. You can leave your code in the back. If you have any luggages, especially tomorrow, let us know. We have a room that you can use to store them upstairs. We are here. This is the main room. The talks will be here. The registration was in the front. The coffee breaks will be one floor up. We have also some tables with the sponsors there. Talk to them. They're very nice people. We also have the tutorial rooms. The tutorial room is C6. It's also upstairs, so the tutorials will be there. And we also have two types of lanyard. Hopefully you have your badge. If you would not prefer to have your pictures taken, there will be some people taking pictures. You can use one of the red lanyards. Please, if you have them, try to sit in the back so that they can at least take some pictures of the whole room. Who are we? Well, we are all volunteers. The guys in the red, the pink T-shirts this year, we are all of the organizers. We are volunteering our time. We really like to do this. Pink T-shirts, black badges. Find us if you have any questions. Let us know if everything is not okay, and we will try to fix it for you. What do we need to make this conference happen? Well, we need people, and we need people. We need people like us who are willing to spend some of our time to organize this conference. We need people like you to attend the conference, to support us. We need people like the sponsors to sponsor this event, and we need people who are willing to stay on this stage and present their work. So we are very glad that we have those people around, and we hope to have them for the years to come as well. A little bit on the timeline, we meet and we elect the board sometime in spring. That's usually when things get started for the next conference. We need to find the place and we need to find the time. Then we need to work to prepare everything, to prepare the ticket sales, to prepare the CFPs, and everything else related to the conference, the organization of the conference. Then we need to find the sponsors, and we need to wait and prepare and accept your contributions. So we are very glad that everything was prepared this year properly. I'm very glad that we had the opportunity to work with this amazing group of people. And if you want to join us for next year, come and find us. 1 month before the conference is where usually everything happens. So we try to answer your emails, we try to answer your questions. We do everything on our own. So if we were a little bit slow on responding, we apologize, but we hope that you understand. And if you see us a little bit tired, it's because we are. So please be nice to us. Code of conduct. And be nice to us, but be nice to everyone else. We have a code of conduct. You can find it on our webpage. This year, we actually formed a separate code of conduct committee. Those three amazing people over there, Stas, Gabriela, and Nikita, who is probably upstairs, you can talk with them, and also myself. I'm not an amazing person, though. So just talk with them if anything bothers you, if something makes you feel uncomfortable. And please read the code of conduct. And if you think that you know it, just read it again. We rewrote the whole thing this year. Our sponsors, the conference would not have been possible without them. So we have EuroPython Society and Python Software Foundation. They have been supporting us for many years, and we're very glad. We also have Locust this year supporting us. And we have 46 Elks, Metalapan, and Sticker Mule. So a big, maybe round of applause for the sponsors. So what is happening in the next 2 days? Well, a lot of things. We have 4 keynotes prepared for you. We have 18 talks happening, 6 workshops, 1 room upstairs. We have lightning talks. So if you have a topic that you would like to present, 3 to 4 minutes, then you will use this board from today, and you can write your name and the topic. And we will select some of them for presenting in the last day of the conference. There will also be a job fair. And last but not least, we have an aftercon. So on Friday at 7 p.m., there will be some drinks happening in Amici, which is really nearby. You will get more information about the AfterCon. Help us spread the word. So we are on social media. We have an amazing person helping us with the social media. Thank you so much. Yeah, please make some posts, use these hashtags, spread the word, let people know that PyCon is happening, so we'll have more people next year. And we also have a challenge running on LinkedIn and Instagram, so please have an eye. You will like it. And I don't like to take a lot of stage time. I'm not here about myself. I'm here to present the organization of the conference. So without further ado, let's kick off PyCon Sweden 2024.